What if I told you that you could create a realistic glass lens effect in Photoshop using only layer styles, no plugins, no AI, and no complicated techniques? In this tutorial, I'll show you every setting step by step, and there's one simple trick near the end that makes the glass look incredibly realistic. So make sure you stay until the end, you won't want to miss it. Let's jump into Photoshop. Step 1. First, create a new document. Set the size to 3000 by 2000 pixels, then click Create. Step 2. Now import your image by simply dragging and dropping it onto the canvas. Resize it using Free Transform until it fills the entire document. Perfect! Step 3. Select the rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle like this. Now adjust the corner radius until you get smooth, rounded corners. This shape will become the foundation of our glass effect. Step 4. Press Ctrl+A to select the entire canvas. Then click the horizontal center align and vertical center align buttons. This places the shape perfectly in the center. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Now comes the exciting part. Step 5. Right-click on the shape layer and choose Blending options. Inside Advanced Blending, reduce the fill opacity to 0%. Don't worry if the shape disappears. That's exactly what we want. Step 6. Enable Stroke. Now follow the settings shown on the screen. Each value plays an important role in creating the glass edge. Step 7. Enable Bevel and Emboss. Copy the exact settings I'm using. This is what creates the illusion of depth and thickness. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll explain every setting step by step, so you can follow along without missing anything. I'd love to know which Photoshop effect should I recreate next. Your suggestion might become my next tutorial. Step 8. Now enable Contour. Follow these settings carefully. Notice how the highlights immediately become much smoother and more realistic. Step 9. Next, enable Inner Glow. Adjust the settings exactly as shown. This subtle effect adds softness inside the glass. Step 10. Now turn on Gradient Overlay. Apply the same settings. The gradient adds beautiful reflections across the surface. Step 11. Finally, enable Drop Shadow. Follow these settings to give the glass a subtle floating effect. Then click OK. Take a look at the result. It already looks like glass, but we're not finished yet. The next trick will make it look much more realistic. Stay with me. Step 12. Rename this layer to Glass 01. Now increase the fill back to 100%. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Rename the duplicate Glass 02. Then hide it for now. Step 13. Select your subject layer and duplicate it. Move the duplicate above the Glass 01 layer. Step 14. Right-click the duplicated subject and choose Convert to Smart Object. Then right-click once again and select Create Clipping Mask. Now the subject is perfectly clipped inside the glass. Step 15. Go to Filter Blur, Gaussian Blur, set the radius to 10 pixels. This creates the soft background distortion that real glass naturally produces. Step 16. Next, go to Filter Distort Zigzag. Set the style to around center. Use an amount of 3 and ridges of 1. This tiny distortion makes a surprisingly big difference. Watch closely. The next step is the secret that makes this effect look like a real camera lens, instead of just a transparent rectangle. Step 17. Unhide the Glass 02 layer. Hold Ctrl and click its thumbnail to load the selection. Go to Select Modify Contract and enter 50 pixels. Then choose Select Modify Feather and set it to 50 pixels. Hold Alt while clicking the Layer Mask icon. Now reveal the layer again. Disable Drop Shadow, Gradient Overlay, and Inner Glow. Keep only stroke and bevel and emboss enabled. Already looking much better. Double-click the stroke effect. Open Contour and copy the settings shown on the screen. These subtle changes help create realistic light reflections. What's the most challenging Photoshop effect you've ever tried? Leave a comment below and subscribe for more creative tutorials. Now return to the stroke settings. Adjust them exactly as I'm doing. Even tiny changes can completely change the quality of the glass. If you'd like to download this exact PSD file and practice with me, you can support the channel by becoming a YouTube member. You'll get exclusive project files, premium resources, and much more. We're just one click away from the finished result. Watch how everything comes together. If you'd like to download this exact PSD file and practice with me, you can support the channel by becoming a YouTube member. You'll get exclusive project files, premium resources, and much more. Step 18. Select the layer mask. Go to Window Properties. Now adjust the feather slider. Experiment with different values until you're happy with the softness of the glass. This is a great way to customize the final look. Step 19. Now let's add some text. We're just one click away from the finished result. Watch how everything comes together. I'll type Swastik. Place it above the glass layers. Press Ctrl+A again and center the text using the alignment buttons. This is one of the fastest ways to perfectly center any object inside your document. Resize the text and position it inside the glass. It already looks amazing. Step 20. Finally, select the text, Glass 01 and Glass 02 layers. Click the Link Layers icon. Now everything stays perfectly aligned whenever you move the design. And there we have it. Our realistic lens glass effect is complete. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Tell me in the comments what Photoshop effect you'd like to learn next. And if you're passionate about Photoshop, graphic design, photo manipulation, and creative tutorials, make sure to subscribe to Swastik Creations Lab and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. If this tutorial helped you create something amazing, give it a like and share it with a fellow designer. Subscribe to Swastik Creations Lab for weekly Photoshop tutorials, creative poster designs, photo manipulations, and editing tips. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.